guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be opening my Boxy charm. This box is thinner than what I'm used to them being like, so it is different, which is interesting. And I brought my knife since it takes me like 9 years to open things. So, we're going to cut this open. Hello, charmer. Oh, I did get what I wanted. Okay, so here is the list. It's Make Waves. This is a cute little card. Little prices are on the back. So I was so hoping that I was gonna get this. The Glam and Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. And it says Hello Sexy on the inside. Alrighty then. And this is what this product looks like. Doesn't smell like anything. And this retails for $28. I'm super excited to try this to see if it actually works on my skin. The next thing is Hollister Cream Eyeshadow. Ooh, that's pretty. And this is $22. Really pretty. Look at this color. That is so beautiful. I cannot wait to use that on my eye. Like a purpley, pinky, crazy prettiness. And then I got the Dose of Colors Pinky Promise. How cute. On the inside of this it says New Bestie. And this is like pink. Holy pink. If I ever do like a Barbie makeup tutorial, this would be perfect. Look how pink that is. Holy crazy. And this is actually my first Dose of Colors product, so that's kind of exciting. And that retails for $18. And then I got this Bodyography Emerald Eye Pencil. Jeez. These people are making me a super colorful person. Look at that green. So I got a green eyeliner. And then, yay, I got Fair Light in this palette. Ooh. So that's those colors. These are pretty. So here's Castaway. And that is what those three look like. Can you see those? Kind of. They're like pretty intense. So I think this is, yeah, blush. I was like, I think these are blush. They're so pretty. I will definitely use this pink one probably a lot because I love pink blush, and I'll probably put this like over it to give it some shimmer because this is the shiniest one out of all the colors in here. This has the most shimmer to it, and then this is more orange. I don't know if I'll use it. Maybe I'll combine it with the pink. But I'm not a huge fan of orange blush, but I'm excited to try this out. And that is $22. So the value of this box is
28 plus 22 plus 22 plus 18 plus 14.
Which the eyeliner is 14. I guess I forgot to do that. So 104. Not too bad for only 21 bucks. I'm super excited to try this out of everything. But we got a skin, face cleanser, lip color, eye luster, so eyeshadow basically, eyeliner, and a blush trio. So that's pretty good, I think. I'm super excited to try all of this. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to comment below if you also get Boxy charm or what you got. If you got like way different colors and stuff than I did, I'd love to know. And don't forget to like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. I will see you in the next one. Have a good rest of your day. Bye guys!